If you've forgotten your Spotify password or simply want to change it, resetting it is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to regain access to your account. Step 1. Go to the Spotify login page. Open your web browser and navigate to the Spotify login page. You can do this by typing Spotify, in the address bar. Step 2. Click on Forgot Your Password. On the login page, look for the Forgot Your Password link below the password entry field. Click on this link to initiate the password reset process. Step 3. Enter your email address. You will be prompted to enter the email address associated with your Spotify account. Type in your email address and click on the send button to receive a password reset email. Step 4. Check your email. Open your email inbox and look for an email from Spotify with the subject line related to password reset. If you don't see it, check your spam or junk folder. Click on the link provided in the email to proceed. Step 5. Create a new password. Follow the link to the password reset page. Enter your new password, ensuring it meets the required criteria, and confirm it by entering it again. Click on the Set Password button to finalize the change. Now you can log into your Spotify account using your new password. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Spotify support for further assistance.